Hello and welcome to the channel. In this episode we'll talk about your air conditioner and specifically about the smelly air conditioner. If you found this video and you're watching it, you probably know what I'm talking about. So summer's here, nice and hot, and you start your car, turn your AC on, and you get a little bit of that moldy, smelly air coming out of your vent for first minute or so, and then it kind of goes away. In this episode I'm gonna explain you why this happens, how to get rid of that smell, and what to do the preventive maintenance so that doesn't happen again. So let's talk about why this is happening. When you turn your car on, you start the AC, there's hot air outside and cold air gets generated by your AC unit. Well, that heat exchange happening in the core, the AC core, it's like a radiator heat exchanger. Looks like a small radiator, so the cold air from AC running through that the heat exchanger, and the hot air from outside flows through it to get cooled, and so that the difference between that hot and cold creates the condensation. That's what you see when you're on the parking lot. You moved your car, you pulled out, and that little puddle of water. But if you shut your car, everything kind of stops, that airflow and everything, and that moisture sits on that heat exchange core. And so what you smell is that little of the growth of bacteria, the mold that got built up on that heat core, air conditioner heat exchanger core. It blows through the vents. It's really bad for you. So you're breathing that little bit of that mold. I don't think it's healthy in any case. It just doesn't smell right. So to get rid of that smell, we're gonna use simple product that you can find in any store. LYSOL. LYSOL kills 99.9% of the air bacteria. And what's gonna happen is we're gonna spray that on the core of your heat exchanger, and leave that overnight, preferably. If not, a couple of hours will do, but more is better. This procedure is not just the Dodge Durangos. You can do it on pretty much any car, any model. They're all pretty similar. The vent that we're gonna spray the LYSOL in, 99% of the cars have it in the same kind of generic area, and so the procedure is pretty general for any car that's out there on the market. Start the car. AC on, recirc off, fan to the max. I do recommend opening all the windows in the car. This is where your air intake is for the cabin air. It's usually on the passenger side by your windshield. You're gonna see this grit right here. We're gonna spray LYSOL for about 5 to 10 seconds right into the vent. And as soon as we're done spraying, we're gonna run to the car and shut the car off, so that spray, that goodness of this stays on the core and not getting vented out and dried out. So we're gonna spray now. Okay, so now car is off, and I would recommend not turning it on or not running the fan for at least 4 to 6 hours. Overnight is better. So why is that? Because you want this spray, you want this stuff to do its job. If you need to move your car or park it in the garage or whichever, I would recommend starting the car, turning the fan off, leave your windows open, park your car. There you go. In the morning when you start the car, just turn the fan on full blast, let that vent out. You know, I would recommend leaving windows open, so that the moisture, that mildew, whatever got killed, the bacteria, just get it vent out and you're not breathing it at the beginning for first minute or so, and then just run your AC. Everything's fine, you're good to go. Well, looks like you made it to the end of this procedure that I showed you. I'm gonna explain you how to do the preventive maintenance so it doesn't happen to you again. Before that, I want to thank you really quick for watching my videos, supporting. If you're not a subscriber yet, please consider clicking subscribe button. It helps me a lot. Thank you so much. And now, so let's talk about how you can prevent this from happening in the future. So let's say you're driving home and you're about almost at your house. You're 30 seconds to a minute away to whatever your final destination is. I would recommend turning AC off and turning fan to the max, so that air, just AC is off, so that condensation, that cold air doesn't go through the heat exchange, so there's no more condensation building up. And that full blast, full air speed, the fan's running full speed, dries the core out and getting rid of all that moisture out. So when you shut the car off, there's no more moisture on that heat exchange core, so there's no bacteria growing. So simple as that. So once again, thank you for watching. Watch my other videos on how to dodge Durango and all the other helpful tips. If you're not a subscriber yet, consider clicking subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.